Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which I'm sure you guys are able to tell by the title of the video, which is regarding none other than XLM. We're going to be talking about what is happening with Stellar's price right now and where we could see the price going in the immediate short term, because I'm sure everyone is asking themselves a question. We've seen Stellar making some massive moves across the board. What exactly is happening right now and why is that not continuing? We will answer those questions. I'm going to share my personal thoughts with you guys on that. So if you guys enjoy that, you guys know what to do. But now let's get right into it. If we're looking at the markets, especially over the past one day, you can see Stellar is down about 3.8% over the last 24 hours. But if we're focusing on its price, 14.5 cents, down about 3.6% in both Bitcoin and USD comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, it is currently sitting at $4 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 121.1 million. So what exactly happened? We were seeing so much excitement within the price, and I know a lot of newcomers are wondering right now what exactly is causing the price of Stellar to go towards the downside, and that's what I will talk about right now. But before we get into the update, as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So as of August the 2nd, we have seen something happen with the price, especially as far as the entire market is concerned, which we will get into, but I wanted to share this with you guys before, and this is by Easy App. It says, if you're a developer, the opportunity of a lifetime is to launch first on a new blockchain. We literally couldn't be more excited to help you do just that on Sobrand Official, which brings smart contracts to Stellar Org for the first time ever. Welcome to the summer of Soroban. I'm going to look a little bit further into that. That is quite exciting to see. But if you guys want to see more about that, I think they have an article right here and you can read a little bit more about that. But this is a very exciting, really goes to show what is happening as far as the project itself is concerned. But let's take a look at the price right now and see what is happening. So if we're looking at the price right now, this is the bigger picture, especially on the daily time frame. You can see the price is currently sitting at 14.5 cents. And it's not just 14.5 cents that I want you guys to keep in mind. I want you guys to keep in mind where the price is currently sitting and how important this level of support really is for the price of Stellar Lumens. So you can see this for yourself. We have some support built up that literally dates back to even May 2019. You can see this for yourself. If I were to zoom in, you can see right here, we were supported by here, also back in November 2018, even 2020, and obviously last year as well. So that's exactly where we're seeing the price hold. Remember, when we were breaking towards the upside, we did see that same level come into our way as a level of resistance, but now it is flipped as a level of support, which obviously is great to see. But now if we're looking at it on the hourly time frame, I want you guys to look at it from the hourly time frame. I know everyone is so concerned right now. Why is it not pumping? Because of course, when you see a move like this, guys, when you see a massive green candle like that, especially a 120% move, people want to continue seeing that happen. But remember, guys, we all wish it was that easy, right? Like everyone wishes it was literally that easy to invest and make that much money, but that's not how things work. There are going to be times where we see consolidations happen, where you do see the price kind of just trade sideways, boring times. But what you need to be focusing on is, where was the price prior to this? Remember, just not even a month ago, less than a month ago, just on July 13th, the price of Stellar was just at 9.6 cents. And since then, it's still up 50% after seeing that retracement. It has seen a retracement of about 26% from its yearly high, which again is quite normal. But remember this level that I was discussing with you guys for the longest time. I continue with saying how important it is for the price of XLM to stay above here. We need to see the price close above that 16.4 cents mark in order for it to see a 20 cents mark reached for the first time for the year, which is this blue zone right here. This is called the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And if I show you guys on the daily time frame, you guys will be able to see a better picture, because we haven't seen the price back into that range since last last April. So that really shows you how important that blue zone really is. But at the same time, in order for us to retest that blue zone, oh gosh, I think we are stuck right now. Let's give it a few seconds. Hopefully it's able to load for us. Sorry about that. I really apologize regarding this. Let me give it a refresh live. Hopefully that does the work for us. I hate when this happens. There we are. Oopsies, can't. There we are. So, this really shows us why it's so important for the price of Stellar to be in the blue zone, because we haven't tested that even during this time. When we saw that massive green candle forming, it still was unable to get into that blue zone, which is a 78.6. So I'm sure even the newcomers that are coming into the market that don't really understand how technical analysis works, how I've showed it to you guys, I'm sure it makes sense at this point. But once that is cleared, guess what target we still aim? The 24 cents mark. I know, I understand. Everyone wants to see overnight gains, but I'm sorry guys, that is not going to happen. I'm not sure what a lot of people are hearing. Some people want Stellar to hit $1 tomorrow. Some people want to hit want Stellar to hit 50 cents tomorrow. I'm sorry, that's not how it works, guys, because if that was how things worked, guess what? As I've said in hundreds of my other videos, we all would be living in mansions. We all would be driving Lamborghinis. That's not how it works, unfortunately. It is a patience game, and the ones that do play it properly do end up winning in the long haul. But at the same time, one thing you want to be focusing on right now is that it's not just Stellar that's down right now. It's the entire market. You can see this for yourself. Majority of the cryptocurrency market is down right now. But on the monthly side, let's look at it on the monthly side. This is what I want you guys to see. XLM is still up 37%. And this is why it's so important for people to lock in profits. Really important, because when I was making an update when Stellar had that massive explosive move towards that 20 cents mark, I was giving you guys just a heads up that lock those profits in. It's always good to lock profits in, but we tend to get greedy. And even if you have done that in the past, sometimes people think, this might be different. This might be different. I'm speaking from my personal side. I've made that same mistake, but now, I'm mentally prepared as to what to do. When I see profit, guess what? I lock those profits in. That's my strategy. Lock those profits in. I look for other opportunity, or if that same coin were to dip, I pick it up back and accumulate. So that's my strategy right now. And if you're new to the markets, guys, it's not going to happen overnight. It won't happen overnight. It's going to take time. We're still early in the bull market. We haven't even seen an altcoin season begin. We've just seen a little bit of a hint of an altcoin season, but I think things will start getting even more exciting as time goes by. And compared to the previous years, the most exciting thing about Stellar that a lot of people still ignore is the fact that Stellar has expanded as a project way more compared to what it was a few years ago, and that really speaks about the adoption level. And not only that, as far as the price is concerned, the price has hit a new yearly high and did break out of its consolidation phase. So that's one thing I want you guys to keep in mind. Remember, the entire market does correlate with BTC, so we need to accept that, and as always, lock those profits in. But of course, I will keep you guys updated if anything were to happen. Next update is scheduled for Friday, so I will see my Stellar family then. I want to just say thank you to each and every one of you guys for literally killing it with that support. Love you all, and I will see you on Friday. See you. Bye-bye.